Too much Zen, too much Molly, too much money, too much body. No.
Dude, I'm about to go to the yacht where everyone goes. Holy crap, hopefully no one gets a chest. Oh my god, there's a kid grabbing the chest. I'm gonna pickaxe him. I don't know why these kids always freaking land here, man. God.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No.
Alright, game 2, let's go, boys. Probably gonna go Holly Hedges this game. Oh my gosh, bro, there's so many people going here. Bro, I don't land on my house, I'm gonna pickaxe you.
I don't know what you better stop!
That's what's freaking out. Bro, where are you going? My gosh. Don't go in there. How's this guy getting away? Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, go get shot, I don't care. I'm gonna grab this chest real quick. Bro, where is he going, bro? He's just trying to get the chest. Oh my gosh. I don't want to mess with that kid. I don't have full HP yet. Bro, what was he doing? Bro, what am I doing? I can't even use these guns. Alright, guys, don't count that because it's my first time using this. Well, let me break this chest. Let me see if there's anything in there I can use. Oh my gosh, it takes forever to break a chest. Bro, there's not even anything I can use. Oh my gosh. Bro, there's nothing in the house I can use. My gosh. Go see if this house has anything. Bro, there's a kid here. My gosh. Bro, I don't want to fight you. Alright, let me place these things down so I can like do something to him. Bro, you can see people if they hit them. That's weird, dude. Better go fight that man. While I drink this big pot. Bro, where's this man going? He's fought someone. Now he's drinking minis on the counter. Bro, you drinking minis on me?
Get this shit off, bro! Get this better!
Alright guys, game 3. I don't know what I didn't record me by the bus, but anyways, I'm gonna finish 2 chests. Not in this one. Ooh. There's nothing in this one either. My gosh. But I just got C4 instead. Let's go. I'm gonna blow up the place, bro. Alright, so I saved you guys some time from watching me do my boring crap. And now I'm at the hotel. This kid has a bad shotgun ever, so baby, be careful. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, why is everybody